Down here at the unit, early hours of the morning. Paul's just going to go get those shutters open, so we'll get in the van and get on our way. Quiet as a mouse down here at this time. A few hours time though, it's going to be manic. It's quite nice to see like this really. Just chill, peaceful. There she is. Van of the hour. I believe it is this machine that we're looking at. Oh, you know, from the RedClean. Well early. Morning, Kev.
Alright, mate,
you alright?
Right, Paul.
Are you always in early then?
Huh?
You always in early?
Yes, mate.
Early doors, ah.
Yeah.
I can't, also, oh, it's so quiet down here. Yeah, I was going to say, it must be nice.
I'll say, you get here about 7 and every time you pick an hour. Bruce again?
Gotta go fucking Kent, get this service ready for a big job.
Last week, we had plethora. I don't know why they're all peas.
Traffic's gonna be worse coming back. We're looking at it, there's no red lines, so there's no build up.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't be asked for that. London there, see the skyscrapers?
Oh yeah, right in the distance.
Yeah, that's Canary Wharf.
Alright, so we're about 10 minutes or so out from our location over in, what's it, Dover? Not Kent, is it? Ashford. We're over in Ashford today. Good 2 hours away from where we're located at the unit in Bletchley. I'm here with Paul, our team leader. What we getting service today? I don't know what the machine is. Talk to Paul. Yeah, our Softwash machine is getting serviced all the way down here. Hopefully we're going to sort of learn how to do it ourselves. Early start this morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. Dark skies, but it's been alright on the roads. We're almost there, and we look forward to seeing how this machine works.
Go in and see it.
So, let's have a look inside. Let's get past. There's a hose, one of the main pipes is snapped inside by this thing, so I'm just removing it. So.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
So you're just diagnosing it at the moment?
Yeah, so removing the water draw tube I've just found, and it's snapped inside the tank. So as the system draws from the water tank here, bleach tank and soap tanks.
Don't use that turbo. Don't use the turbo on it.
So I'll just either replace this, if I can get that out I'll replace it, if not I've got a brand new one that I can exchange it for here.
Alright, great.
What I will do is actually use this particular one because it has got a check valve. It just helps the system, because as the water draws up the water draw tube here, we've got a filter at the bottom now, we've got a check valve so it doesn't go any, when the pump stops it doesn't drain back down the system, it stays at this point here, so when the pump starts up again it's always in water, so there's no priming to do. The pump. Once the system starts priming, I can then close it, and then it'll only draw the correct amount of water through.
It's roaring, everyone in the office talking about Christmas and that, and I was throwing my head back.
So I'll just let a little bit of air out the head. There are two ways of doing it. One is just popping the fitting off the pump there, the output side of the pump, to get that air out of the head. You can hear now that the pressure is starting to build inside the system. There's going to be an awful lot of air in there at the moment. I might have more problems, so I'm just running it up now. Got no pressure on the gauge. Not always the gauge is working. It's not always a good indicator. See straight away this has got the wrong end on the end here. So I just run a torch along hoses to see if there's any air, but I can hear that's just built up pressure and shut off. So that is that's good. It's building good pressure now. See a bit of air coming through here, which is the output from the pump here. That's gone solid now, so that pump and everything's working fine. I'm just going to swap this over with the correct size jet. Yeah, everything else looks good. No crushing of these fittings. Sometimes you get leaks from the elbows going into the pump. They all look good. Everything else looks good. None of the wiring's damaged, so yeah, it's just I've changed the pressure gauge and that will be it.
Oh, brilliant.
Not as bad as before then?
No, it's not bad at all. The pump is spot on. It drew the water out of the tank, no issues. So these got about a 2 or 3 metre head, so they can draw water out of the tank 2 or 3 metres high without any issues. So nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Cheers, John. Nice to meet you too. All right.
Good luck with everything you're doing.
Thank you very much. Yeah,
On there.
yeah, whack on there.
Yeah, no worries. I'm getting used to it now. So.
Yeah, no, you're good. You're good in front of it. You're natural.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Safe drive home. Yeah?
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Nice.
Sorted. Alright, so we're just on our way back now from Ashford. The Softwash Academy team, very pleasurable, very helpful. They've serviced the vehicle, the mechanism, the Softwash unit. It's great to have the Softwash box back up to and running to its full potential. It's a lot better on the house, isn't it, for using that?
Yeah, the render jobs a lot quicker
Yeah, with the machine. So yeah, on our way back, not as long or as bad as we thought it was going to be, nothing major. Quite thankful for that, and we can get the truck back on the job to its full potential.
Back in action.